What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video will be adjusting my rear camber plates that go darn it, I'm gonna need a freaking flashlight. I'll be right back. So my camber plates are gonna go between the hub. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. That little metal plate that you can see. So to install it, you have to take out one bolt, those 4 bolts right there. I don't know if you can see it. Give me a sec. Okay. So you're gonna have to take all those 4 bolts and the sensor. You're gonna have to take those out, and then this should come off. This right here, all this should come off, but you're gonna have to hold it because it is attached to this unless you want to take this off, but it's more work for you. And so I just took those four bolts off, the sensor, and this came out. And then you put the plate in the middle, and then you put the bolts back on. I had done it, but I need to adjust it because my toe is in. So my tire is like, it's like camber -5, but also like it's towed in like this. So when I'm driving in the rear, it pulls the car to the side. So my toe is like this, and I have to adjust it to bring it back straight, but keep the camber negative. So I'm gonna put my tripod and get it set up and show y'all. Okay, like I said, you have to loosen up these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are 14 millimeters, and then a 10 millimeter to loosen up the sensor. That way this hub thing can come out, and then you can place your camber plate, which I already have done. I'm just gonna loosen them up so I can adjust the toe. So let me get that going. So, I've managed to loosen up the bolts. I don't know if you can tell. So the way you adjust this is from under here. You move this little, you move this little notch back and forth. Like this way or that way. So I'm gonna adjust that right now. That's how you adjust it. You can tell it's right here in the middle. It's right there. All the way around. So this side is gonna give you -5. I'm not sure if they sell bigger or not, because I got these from a local guy. But let me adjust this real quick. And that's how you adjust your rear camber plates. I'm not sure where to buy them from, because I got them from a guy locally, but I sure will ask him where he got them from, and then anybody that asks, I will shoot y'all a message. You can find me on my Instagram page as prestige_b17, like so. But that's it, guys, for this video. If you liked it, share it, comment, or drop a comment below. Options are welcome. Catch you on the next one. Next video, I will be assembling the wheels and be painting them, because I don't think this hot fuchsia pink goes well with the red. Probably go white or black. I'm still on this. Yeah, you know what I mean. But catch you on the next time, guys. Take it easy.